Ababaka okuva mu mbeera kiddiridde Minisita ow'ekikula ky'abantu emirimu n'okukulaakulanya abantu Betty Among okutegeeza nga Ssaabaminisita bw'abadde akyali mu kafubo n'omukulembeze w'eggwanga wabula nga mwetegefu okujja okutangaza eggwanga ku nsonga zino.
This was a paper harmonized between two ministries of health and gender, labor and social development. The Prime Minister had committed to presenting it herself. She's still committed, and she has requested me to reaffirm to you in the last 10 minutes, I think now 30 minutes, that she will be here to present. I cannot now answer for the delegation.
Omumyuka omukubiriza olukiiko lw'eggwanga Anita Among agaanye okukkiriza ensonga eno bw'ategeezezza nga Ssaabakunzi wa NRM bwe yabadde amutegeezezza nga Ssaabaminisita bw'ali omweteefuteefu okujja okubasisinkana era nti yabadde waakulabikako mu lutuulo olwaleero.
The Right Honourable Prime Minister was ready and was coming to present the statement.
Madam Speaker.
Ababaka ab'enjawulo balaze okutya n'obutali bumativu olw'okwebuzaabuza kwa Ssaabaminisita wamu ne baminisita abatali bamu mu ntuula za Paalamenti ez'enjawulo.
I want to extend our apologies before anything else for this. We own it up. We are responsible for it. We are sorry, and we are going to ensure it doesn't happen again. Second, the Right Honourable Speaker, the Prime Minister, as we all know, received a very urgent call from the President, and I called you. I said she's ready with the statement, but she'll be leaving State House shortly, and she's about to reach here. Right Honourable Speaker, I just beg for your indulgence on that. It's not that we are trying to underlook your authority, we are panicking, but to just request you that you use your authority, Right Honourable Speaker, number one, to forgive us, but number two, to allow us be handling other matters.
Supposed to be answering many things and saving this Parliament the burden of even raising them as matters of national importance if they are answered. I want to support the proposal by the leader of opposition. This being a very, very important statement.
The paper came out yesterday. Right now, Speaker, it wouldn't be in the wisdom of the Prime Minister that she has to inform a minister who is giving a lot of misleading information about what we are going to query here about the statement. Right now, Speaker, the Prime Minister can inform you officially that you will not keep time, will not come. But when we get a statement or anything on the floor by the minister, that is still another leading information. Would it be procedure, Speaker, with this August House, where we are expecting members to be very serious, that we are getting information right now that the Prime Minister has gone to delay? Yes, you gave us the order paper yesterday.
We have the deputy of the Prime Minister. And we have the first deputy Prime Minister. We have the second deputy Prime Minister who is in charge of the business also here. I am wondering why people are talking about the Prime Minister being met. Are you saying that in the absence of the Prime Minister, the first deputy Prime Minister and the second deputy Prime Minister cannot be in the house here? Secondly, Madam, to show you clearly that the Prime Minister's office was not ready to present a statement here. Since members do not have the iPad, we should have had the hard copy of the Prime Minister's report for.
Waliwo n'ababuuzizza ku kwetengerera kwa Paalamenti nga balaga ng'omukulembeze w'eggwanga bwe yandiba ng'ayingiridde emirimu gya Paalamenti wabula kino omumyuka omukubiriza w'olukiiko lw'eggwanga olukulu Anita Among agaanye okukkiriziganya nakyo.
We are not going to have a parliament that is going to serve at the pleasure of the executive. And Mr. Chief Whip, you whip the NRM. We are not going to allow you, through your work and amount of work, to co-opt everybody here.
Akulira oludda oluwabula gavumenti mu Parliament Mathias Mpuuga Nsamba naye ayogedde ku ky'okubulawo kwa Ssaabaminisita.
Where the Prime Minister's office handles disasters, that he has never been declared a disaster zone. Hopefully the Prime Minister will make amends going forward.
Wabula oluvannyuma Ssaabaminisita amaze n'alabikako. Eggulire lino likusakiddwa Isa Kigongo ku lwa 44 eggulo.